a glimpse of the life of a crow, but we can learn something, even just a slice of its life. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe this channel. The motivation of the story can be seen when you watch this video till the end. Thanks and enjoy! It was said a thirsty crow came across a village. Unlike the previous villages he passed before, he might find any water on this place. The heat of sun scorched anything below it and made him dehydrated. Along the way, he saw the rivers run dry and plants wither. He was not the only one that suffered from the scorching heat. Only after some time, he could find this village that seemed better than others. He felt lucky, for he found no one inside the house when he landed and peeked into one of the rooms of the house. Without further ado, he looked around for the source of water. At first, he found nothing, but then he saw a pitcher on the table in the kitchen. He flew in and took a peek on it. As he looked into the pitcher, he was excited. There was a little water inside the pitcher. "It's better than nothing, isn't it?" he said to himself. Alas, his excitement didn't last long. No matter how he tried, he couldn't drink it. Not even reach the surface of the water. The pitcher has long neck, which couldn't be reached by his small beak. He tried to move it, but it didn't budge, even an inch. He racked his brain, and an idea sprouted out from his mind. Not far from the house, he collected some pebbles to be dropped into the pitcher. Slowly but sure, the water began to rise. He kept doing this until the water surface was near enough for him to drink. At the end, he contentedly enjoyed the result of his hard work. Just like the crow, we should never give up when we are facing a problem. Instead, we should think it's a challenge, a puzzle that we should solve, and there's always a way. If you fall off your course, get right back on. Though it seems worse, just keep moving on. Never lose hope and keep fighting, because success is the ability to go from one failure to another with no loss of enthusiasm. If you fail on one side, you might find your success on other side. Don't stop trying to solve your problem. You might need different approach to find the way to your success. That's the importance of being resilient and perseverance. Also, having creative thinking is a must. Remember this? When one door closes, another one opens. So, stop staring at the closed door. Your open door of success might lay on other side.